So how can you enable or allow the apps to request tracking right on your iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, in your iPhone settings, when you scroll down, you'll be able to find the privacy and a security section. And at the top, we have the location services. So if you have the location tracking in mind, it's found in here. But below you have the dedicated tracking, right? And you can see at the top you have the allow apps to request it, right? So if you turn it off, then apps cannot even ask for it. But if you have it enabled, you can also then specifically decide which applications can and cannot track you, right? So all of the installed apps which have requested it in the past will be in here, so you can manage the individual toggles for those apps and set it up exactly according to your preferences. So it is all found right here, and as I said, you can enable it or disable it. So most likely this is the thing which you had in mind. Most definitely let me know in the comments below if that's the thing that you were looking for, and if you actually managed to solve the issue. If I didn't mention something, let me know about that below. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.